Good morning, my loves. Welcome to today's vlog. It's been a while since I vlogged. So today I'm getting the rest of my forearm tattooed, which I am super excited about, but that is not until 12. What's the time now? It's about 9:30 now. I went to spin this morning. My legs are killing me from a leg session I did a couple days ago, so I was a little bit nervous, but it went okay. So I've obviously got showered, put some makeup on. I don't know what to do with my hair. It's driving me nuts at the minute. I've just washed it. I'm quite liking it, quite like silky and straight for once in my life, which is kind of its natural style. But then I'm not sure it's really going with my look today. Not that my look is really a look. It's more of a, I'm gonna get tattooed, I need to be comfy. But I also can't be bothered to style it. So I don't really know what's going on with it today. But yeah, I am going to do a little bit of brainstorming. I've retreated to bed because I haven't been feeling too good the past couple of days. So I'm just resting up. I need to get some food as well before I leave for this tattoo, obviously. Because it's best to eat before you do these things. But yeah, I'm going to do a little bit of brainstorming for a project that I want to do. And it involves me looking through some childhood pictures, so I probably am going to show you guys some. Here is me reading. There is a lot of pictures of me reading. I don't even know what I'm reading there. I think it might have been an old fairy tales book. So here is another one. Clearly I am reading this book aloud. Declaiming. You can tell that I did not want to take this picture. But look at that blogger walking pose. I also had a lot of Disney princess outfits, and I really do mean a lot. I also have no idea where I got all this jewellery from. I don't remember having so much jewellery, but it makes sense when I look at these pictures that I'm covered in bracelets and stuff, because I've clearly continued with that. So this was my little Spanish boy phase. I don't know if it's the haircut or what. I don't know if you guys know, but I am a quarter Spanish, which is not very much, I know. I just feel like in these pictures I look like a little Spanish boy. This was my beloved cat who actually went missing. Very sad about it still. She was called Lulu. This is when I started losing all my teeth. I fell forwards into a bath. My two front teeth fell out pretty soon after that, and then for about 6 months I had no front teeth. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little trip down memory lane. So I'm wearing my combats because they're super comfy, my Jadens, this Great Frog t-shirt that Zach got me for Christmas, and my big old suede jacket from All Saints, and a beanie because it is chilly outside. And I think I'm probably going to wear my denim Parka that I got years ago from Topshop over the top as well for an extra layer. Do you guys think I have enough layers on? Okay, I'm feeling cozy, ready to go.
Oh, yeah. She comes out at night, begs for a little bite, 'cause she just wants a taste of the good life. She's up for a good time. You can see that she's a killer, trying to get you when your eyes closed. You're bad just like mine.
So we are all done for the day, guys. Hi my loves, so as you can see I am back home now. Got my hair in a stupid bun. I'm in my PJs, haven't taken my makeup off yet because I have to do the whole getting ready for bed thing in stages, because it honestly is probably one of the worst parts of my day. I hate it. Anyway, I'm all wrapped up as you can see. I'm gonna ask Zach to do a little bit of filming when he comes back, so that you guys can see it, because it's quite hard for me to show you it without it looking a bit weird, just because of the position of some of the tattoos. I'm super pleased. I just love Scott's work. The only thing I wasn't really expecting to get today was this key on the top, so we just did like a little gap filler with that, but the skull and dagger and the anatomical heart were what I originally kind of said to him. And then I don't know if I said this on camera whilst I was in there, but we did a little bit of like line work around the eye on the inside of my arm, because I've always thought that it was kind of floating in the middle of nowhere. so I wanted to just do something to frame it basically. But yeah, super pleased with it. And then I came home, which took me a little while. I did quite a lot of reading of my Kindle book today, which is the second in the Three Body Problem trilogy thing. It's called The Dark Forest, I think. And I'm really enjoying it actually. I did quite a lot of reading on the way there and back today. And then I just ate some pasta and finished off the Real Housewives of Atlanta series that I was on. I would usually read at this time of day while Zach is still at work and stuff, and if I've done everything else for the day. But after I get a tattoo done, my concentration is usually shot to pieces. Like, I can't even really film this section. It's not because I find the tattoo process itself particularly traumatic or like painful or anything, but I just like can't concentrate. Is it the adrenaline? Is it because I'm just getting distracted by my cute new tattoo? I don't know. But anyway, I can never really concentrate very well after I get one done, so I'm probably just gonna watch some more Real Housewives of Atlanta and just chill out a little bit. Sorry I didn't film loads in the studio. I always just get caught up chatting or like concentrating on staying super still. Hope you guys saw a little bit of the process today. Because I was doing lots of kind of little tattoos today, we did the dagger, and then we placed the skull and did that, and then we placed the heart and did that, and then we placed the key and did that. So it was quite like a nice slow chilled process today. It took about 6 hours in the end, because he was sketching at the beginning as well. But yeah, I'm super loving the finished product, and I'm going to go back and see him to do like my inner arm on the top in March, I think it is. But yeah, I'm looking really, the only problem with showing you guys it in like whenever that gets back is that my arm is so swollen. I look proper swole. They always look a little bit weird when your arm looks all swollen. Anywho, I'm probably going to take my makeup off now. Yeah, let me know if you guys always find that after you get a tattoo, like, why can't I concentrate on things? Also posted my first ever Instagram styling video today. I was like weirdly nervous to post it, but go check that out if you don't follow me on Instagram already. I really enjoyed doing this actually. I think I will do more. When she comes for you in the night, don't close your eyes. She's so dangerous. Ooh yeah, she's so dangerous. Ah, she's so dangerous. Ooh yeah, she's so. Oh, everything she does makes you wanna touch, but you can't see that she's not looking for love. Just a little fun, but you can't see that she's a killer. So my loves, I did not finish this little vlog yesterday, classic me, because Zach and I just settled down to watch the new Ted Bundy documentary. We watched the first episode of it yesterday. By the way, if you're wondering, are those still those bloody eyelashes stuck on your face, you would be correct. I cannot get them off for love nor money. I am trying, trust me. Washing with oil every single night. I have steamed them. I have tried everything. I'm just gonna have to wait until these eyelashes fall out naturally, I think. The thing is, I kind of want to get them done again just for my holiday, but if they don't fall out, I don't know if that's kind of an option. Anyway, tattoo is looking all good. It stopped being quite so plasma-y now. One thing I have noticed is that there's a few little spaces that I think I'll probably fill with like baby tattoos once the whole arm's done, so I can just get a good idea of what will like suit it, and I'll have a think about some ideas for little like baby filler pieces, because I like the PC sleeve look. I love like big sleeves that are all like one big picture, but mine is obviously going to be like more of a PC vibe, but I think it could do with just, there's a few larger gaps that I feel like I could probably fill with like little baby tattoos, so I think that's definitely something that I'm going to do in the future. But I am super pleased with it. I cannot wait for it to be healed so I can kind of just have it out and about. But yeah, thank you guys for watching today. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you again very soon.